Industrial construction is the future. If you look at a traditional brick and mortar, right now it's taking 9 to 12 months on a good day, where on the industrialized build through our certification, we can have a fully built QSR done in 3 to 6 months. The biggest challenges that brands face when trying to grow rapidly is cost of construction, cost of land, and then timing to the market, which is all solved on the industrialized build side because I can have a construction team doing the horizontal, while in the factory, we're doing the vertical, and then behind the scenes, we're doing all the equipment procurement, and we're ready to install it. We do all the signage, landscaping. Everything's done as a turnkey solution, so our clients can hire us and then just see us at the end. And the best part about it is our kitchens come pre-permitted. So once we get on site, it's craned into place, utilities are set up, and it's off to the races. Building in a controlled environment improves quality and consistency because everything is done and governed by a Cruising Kitchens employee. We don't have subcontractors that can blame this. Welders can talk to the fabricators, fabricators can talk to electricians, electricians can talk to the plumbers, and everybody is held accountable because by the time that build leaves our facility, it's fully inspected and fully permitted. The TLR process allows us to eliminate delays. The reason being is all the construction is done and governed in our facility. So as the build is being done, the inspections are being done. So when the build is done in our factory, it is already permitted, stamped, sealed. So when we crane into place, there are no inspections that take place on the building, just on the exterior and the connections that come to our building. When we say that Cruising Kitchens is a turnkey solution, we are truly a turnkey solution. It starts with exterior renderings. Once those are approved, we then go to MEPs. Once the MEPs are approved, we go to our engineer in-house. He stamps the drawings. They're sent to the PFS TECO, which is our third party. Those are then submitted to the municipality, and after that, it's the construction side. We're doing the horizontal construction, we're doing the vertical construction, and then we do final permits, connections. Everything is done under our umbrella, which one, expedites the timeline to get it down to 3 to 5 months rather than traditional 9 to 12, and then there's a cost savings of usually 20 to 30%. If you reflect back to the pandemic, most QSRs went for the drive-through concept only, which drove down labor costs. They were doing the exact same volume because the traditional brick and mortar requires 4 to 8 additional employees to open the entire footprint. The misconception that people have about factory-built restaurants is they're flimsy, they're not to code, they don't have the same quality or equipment as a traditional brick and mortar, but it's actually the complete opposite. Everything that we do is to IBC code. It's built to hurricane ratings. It's the same drive-through windows, same NSF equipment, far more insulation, better electrical, and it's all done in a factory in a controlled environment. The trends I'm seeing with major QSR brands is the interior footprint is shrinking, drive-throughs growing, profits are going up, which is perfect for industrialized construction. Restaurant development is going to look completely different in 5 years, and Cruising Kitchens will be a driving factor of that. We're going to continue to reduce cost of construction, expedite speed to market, and continue to be a leader in our space.